Okay, it's me again. Same day, April 9th. I just want to do a little something. Okay, I'm going to try to sing SWV. I get so weak. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. And I think it's amazing, it's not a fake. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, and it knocks me right off of my feet. Can't explain why your love makes me weak. Okay, now I'm gonna do Aaliyah. You can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again. And at first you don't succeed, don't succeed. You can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again, try again. You don't want it, throw it all away. I may be bugging on the first day. What about the next day? I said you don't want to throw it all away. I may be bugging on the first day. What about the next day? That's not. What I'm going to do is cheers to you. Okay. Cheers to you. Will we give me a chance? I'll be your angel. I'll be your man. Cheers to you. Will you give me a chance?